Ni thutha wa mutongoria wa bururi kwanirira ati mambura ma mwaka uyu ma muthi wa Madaraka magatabanio Kaunti-ini ya Narok. Kuria riu mihang'o itiganite ya kuhaririria mambura maya ni nyitite thinga mwena ucio. Na kamiti iria irugamiriire mehaririria maya igakinya mwena uyu kurora haria mihang'o ino ikinyite. Kuringana na mwandiki mukaru wa ministry ya maundu ma thiini Saito Titorome, mehaririria maya ni mathiete na mbere uria kwagiriire.
A lot of activities are being done. The county government, and I'd like to thank them. They have actually done a lot. They are really running up and down to make sure that they complete all the tasks that need to be completed for the success of that day. So we are very impressed by the work that has already been done by various players.
Nake murugamiriri wa gicigo kia Rift Valley Shimwanga Mogo ni augite mwena wa ugitiri ni murumbuyo ura kwagiriire, akiuga honge ciothe ni cinyitanire gutigirira kuri na ugitiri wa kuigana.
The security point of view, we haven't had any security challenges or challenge areas within the South Rift so far, and we expect to keep it that way until Madaraka and even beyond Madaraka.
Governor wa Narok Samuel Tunai ni augite mambura maya ni kiguni kinene hari ajoria amwena uyu.
The participation of the people of Narok is paramount and important, and we are organizing to make sure that the people of Narok are going to take first place to be in the stadium with their true culture, because we must showcase that the culture of the Maasai and other communities who are living in this county.
Ado makiria ma 3,000 neo matanyitwo gugekinyia mambura-ini maya maria makahanika tariki 1 mweri wa gatandatu. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Elena wa Gashomwo.
Tumesema tunataka ile serikali nyingine